Hello, you guys. So I am Actual Black Mermaid or Imani underscore Yvonne 2, ABM on Twitter. And today I'm going to be talking about women with high paid careers again, and influencers, models, people who work on the red carpet, people who may play parts in movies, maybe actors that are not like super famous, but they have some type of standing and attend red carpets frequently because that's normally the types that I get in my DMs. If you guys did not watch my last videos for high paid influencers and celebrities, then you probably want to catch up on that one too. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to knock it out in this video too. Okay, so I had to take notes because I want to make sure I'm getting out to all of you guys and all your questions and answering every single thing. Okay, so I took some notes in my notes section on my phone. So, first of all, you guys have to go out. Okay, this is something I have a problem with career women who are working like lawyers and everything like that to high paid women. You guys do not go any places outside of your work or your events and stuff like that. You have to go out, and I would say try to go out at least 1 to 4 times a month, to maximize your success. And you definitely want to meet more people, because I feel like you guys have a problem with separating from your circles because you believe these are the only powerful people in your specific circles that exist, and that's not the case at all. Not everybody who's powerful has money, and not everybody who has money is powerful. Okay, so that's something to remember. Another thing is when you are networking, figure out at these events and stuff, figure out if this person is flirting, and you will know because they'll probably offer you their business card or offer to invite you somewhere, just trying to keep it very light, flirty, businessy or something, like trying to invite you to a certain party or listening party or somebody else's type of event or something and offer to get you in there or something. So this is what you want to do. You want to ask questions. First of all, you want to ask what type of people are going to be there. The reason why you want to ask this is because you want to show them I'm not just accepting invites because you're somebody on the red carpet, or I'm supposed to be just hopping up like, oh my God, getting into a VIP party. Okay, so ask them what type of people are going to be there. How long have you known these people? Oh, are you really close to them? Ask them questions and see how they respond. Because you also don't want to get yourself in a weird situation where you're invited somewhere and this person is actually just all talk and he doesn't actually know anybody there, and then you're kind of just both stuck there in a weird situation with somebody who lied. So yeah, you want to do that. You want to also tell them, you want to insinuate, well, if you haven't been there, most times you guys have heard about it, or it's not in your circle, so you haven't heard about it. So you would just tell them something like this: I never been there, but I think I might know somebody who runs something close to it or runs another event like it. That's what you want to tell them, because you want them to know that even though you haven't been there, you're informed. Because you don't ever want, and this goes for everybody, you never want to make a guy feel like he's treating you to some new stuff, like you ain't never been nowhere nice before, because they will take that and run with that and treat you like a fan. Okay, so just tell them like, oh, I don't think I've been there, but I think I've known someone who does this that's similar to it, does this event that's similar to it. Have you heard of them? And ask them, and they're, oh yeah, or no, oh, that's so interesting, blah blah blah, yeah. So can I see you after that? So anyways, I digress. So you don't want to accept the first time. You actually want to let them know that after they give you some more information about what type of people are there and what type of event it is, and you guys have talked a little bit more, just let them know, like, I'm not sure what I'm doing that day or that weekend, but I can let you know once I have my calendar in my possession. okay? Because you don't want to accept just them throwing out some glitzy glam party because they think, oh yeah, she gonna be excited because I invited her. Now I'm boss man. You don't want them to think that. So you just tell them, you can. Do you want to email me or contact me through Instagram or something? Or they'll ask you like, oh yeah, I can just hit you up on Instagram. What's your Instagram? And then you can trade that. Instagram is definitely okay for you guys who are like little celebrities, not little celebrities, but are not like A-list celebrities or something, or people who have done roles in movies, or high paid influencers who do red carpet events and everything like that. Instagram is okay because most of y'all communicate through Instagram all the time, like all the time. So whether it's business or legit like dating. So Instagram is totally okay. Just not too much. And that's what I'm going to get into next. You busy women who have these great careers, I know that people don't know that you are at home relaxing or with your horses or just spending time, like your free time, not doing too much, but you need to space out your responses. This will definitely help you. And I'm talking about days. Sometimes you can take a week. This person don't know your schedule. As far as they know, you could be busy working on projects every single day. They don't know. So don't make them feel like they should know. There should not be they should be sporadically hearing from you. It should be a surprise to them. They should be anticipating your text messages. All this, I'm a career woman who's doing red carpet events and stuff, and I'm texting back fast as fuck to every guy that talks to me or invites me to something, or messaging back on Instagram fast as fuck. Needs to stop. That has to stop. They need to know, or at least believe, that you are busy. Okay, you guys are like little celebrities and shit like that. Like, you need to be busier, or at least have some self-control. And if you miss an opportunity, if you miss like a date or something that they invited you, that's great. That actually puts you in a great position because you were too busy. You just didn't see the text. That is actually a great position to be in, because they're just going to keep inviting you to stuff. And then on top of that, if you're trying to get them to take you out on a date, you want to miss as many invites as possible. Okay? Because if they want to actually see you, they need to actually plan something that is just between you and them. Okay? So it's okay to not answer a message for 3 days or something. You got shit to do. It's okay to miss a event or something because you were busy. It's okay. Okay? Because I promise you, they do the same thing. Okay? So, yes, space out your responses. What you guys need to understand is that the name of the game when you guys are in these great places in your lives is time and worthiness. And that's basically what's being tested here. Like, who believes that they are more worthy? Who believes that their time is more valuable? And by you sitting there constantly responding to their messages quickly, as if you're like some sort of fan who just got an opportunity, or if you're just taking up every invite for everything that they invite you to, or answering every single time they come through to your city or something like that, then they're going to treat you like you're a fan and like they have a higher standing than you, when most of the time you guys are not too much further behind these guys. If you are or on the same level, if they're just another actor or musician or something. So it's not anything that you need to chase after. Miss some events, miss some text messages, miss some phone calls. It's okay, because you don't need to be available every time, because you already have your own standing, your own career, other things that you should be doing. And on top of that, post in between the times that you are not talking to these people. Make sure they know you're not just sitting there looking at your phone waiting for them to message you hey, what's up? What you doing this weekend? Are you coming to this event? Make sure that they are doing a little bit extra by focusing on yourself. Make sure you're posting those projects that you're working on, upcoming projects that you're working on later on in the year, or working out, fitness, training with people. Have a whole entire life. Make sure that they're thinking about, wow, she's not reaching out back to me as fast as such and such was, or these other women are, because she's living her fucking life. You're not even trying to play games with them. It's just like, look, I have a life, okay? And I'm not going to just be available every time that you're here or you want me to be available. Especially because I'm a mini celebrity. I'm this, I'm that. That's how you exercise your intimidation. That's how you properly use your ego, because that is something I have to definitely work with a lot of you guys who are very powerful and doing great in your careers, have to move past, and or not even have to move past, but learn how to use properly. Okay, so using your ego and intimidation properly is an art, and that's what you guys have to master. And this video is basically on how to do that. So you guys can definitely hit me up for a session on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram, or you can hit me up on Twitter at Imani_Yvonne2 and ABM, or you can see my other success stories there. And I will be talking to you guys later. Thank you so much for listening. I love you guys.